My name is Arnaud and I worked as a psychomotor therapist. Through my work, I have come to the understanding and observation that the body, the mind and the soul are always interconnected. And also that the inner and outer aspects of our being cannot be separated. I've been trained to look and to investigate my inner self in such a way that I can receive and heal others, and especially the people who have been damaged by life. In my search for inner peace, I've realized something. And this thing is that I cannot bring peace and healing to the people if I am not myself at peace. And also, that justice and peace cannot be achieved on a mass and collective level if the individuals of this collective are not themselves at peace. And this is through this research and investigation that God guided me to the Ahmadi religion of peace and light. A religion that provides a clear path through self-knowledge, the caring of the soul and the elevation of the soul, and also a divine connection. But not only. It is the only religion I have found that takes care of the soul and at the same time works towards the establishment of global peace and justice for all of humanity.